What's up, everyone? Aditya here from Weymont Consulting. I hope you're all doing fantastic. Today, we're stepping away from the old way of doing things and jumping straight into the future of AI collaboration. Stop treating AI like a search engine and start treating it like your most talented colleague. Today, we're unlocking Claude Co-work, the secret to turning AI assistants into a true partnership that actually gets your work done while you sleep. What if AI didn't just tell you how to do something, but actually did it for you? Welcome to Claude Co-work, the technology that just sent shockwaves through the global stock market and is changing how millions of people work. In this video, I show you exactly what this breakthrough means for you, whether you're a student, professional, creator, or entrepreneur. What is Claude Co-work? Claude Co-work is Anthropic's revolutionary AI assistant released in January 2026 that transforms artificial intelligence from a conversation partner into a digital coworker. Unlike traditional AI chatbots that only give you advice or generate text, Cowork actually executes tasks on your computer. The key difference is when you ask traditional AI, "How do I organize my files?" The traditional AI response is, "Here are 5 steps to organize your files," but still have to do all the work yourself. If you ask the same question to Claude Co-work, stating "Organize my downloads folder," then Claude Co-work actually sorts, renames, categorize all 200 files while you get coffee. It will come back to finished and organized workspace. Let's see how it works. 1. You grant folder access. Say choose specific folders on your Mac computer. 2. You describe the outcome. Tell Claude what you want accomplished. 3. Claude Co-work creates a plan. Shows you the approach before starting, then you approve and step away. Claude works autonomously for minutes or hours, return to finished work on professional documents, organized files, complete reports. In technical foundation, it works as built on the same technology as Claude Code developer tool. It runs locally on your Mac through Claude desktop app. It works in an isolated virtual machine for safety. And also it can coordinate multiple subagents working simultaneously, including plugins and connectors to external services. Now let's discuss the key features and capabilities. 1. The autonomous file management. How it works. Sort hundreds of files by type, date, or content. Rename files with intelligent, descriptive names. Delete duplicates automatically. Create folder structures based on your needs. Merge similar documents. 2. The professional document creation. How it works. In Word documents, the complete reports with proper formatting, headers, table of contents. In Excel spreadsheets, the working formulas, VLOOKUP, conditional formatting, multiple tabs. In PowerPoint presentations, branded slide decks with your assets and style. In PDF operations, this will merge, split, fill forms, extract data. 3. Data processing and analysis. Let's see how it works. Extract information from receipt screenshots into expense reports. Analyze spreadsheet data and generate insights. Pull data from multiple sources and synthesize reports. Create charts and visualizations. Process meeting transcripts into action items. 4. Research and content synthesis. What it does. Combine scattered notes into coherent documents. Analyze research papers and extract key findings. Compile information from multiple articles. Create comprehensive briefings from various sources. Identify themes and patterns across documents. 5. Browser automation with Claude in Chrome. It works as fill out forms automatically, post content to social media, pull data from websites, navigate web applications, record and replay workflows. 6. Connector ecosystem. Let's see how it works. Connect Co-work to your existing tools. Look at some examples. Google Drive and Google Workspace. Slack for team communications. Asana for project management. AWS for cloud resources. N8N for workflow automation. Hundreds more through MCP, Model Context Protocol. 7. Plugin system. There are 11 plus specialized plugins at launch. Productivity, tasks, calendars, workflows, enterprise search, find info across company tools, marketing, content drafting, campaign planning, sales, prospect research, deal preparation, HR, recruiting, onboarding workflows, legal, contract analysis, document review, finance, expense processing, budget analysis. Hope you have got the glimpse of how the Co-work works. Now let's talk about the advantages of Co-work. 1. Massive time savings. Tasks that take hours manually complete in minutes. Example: organizing 200 files from 3 hours to 5 minutes. The advantage is the work continues even when you're away from computer. 2. No technical skills required. Simple natural language instructions. No coding knowledge needed. Accessible to anyone who can describe what they want. Removes the barrier between idea and execution. 3. Consistency and quality. Follows your specifications exactly. No human fatigue or errors. Maintains formatting standards. Applies rules uniformly across large datasets. 4. Parallel task processing. Run multiple independent tasks simultaneously. Claude coordinates subagents for complex projects. Dramatically increases throughput. Example: research 5 competitors at the same time. 5. Learning and adaptation. Can learn your workflows by watching you perform them once. Saves custom workflows as shortcuts. Schedules recurring tasks. Adapts to your specific tools and preferences. 6. Professional grade outputs. Not just draft quality, production ready deliverables. Properly formatted documents with formulas, styling, structure. Branded presentations matching your visual identity. Print ready reports and analysis. 7. Transparency and control. Shows its plan before executing. You can monitor progress in real time. Intervene or adjust mid-task. Requires permission before deleting files. Full visibility into what it's doing. 8. Integration capabilities. Works with your existing tools and services. Pulls data from multiple platforms. Creates workflows across applications. Builds on your current tech stack. 9. Cost-effective automation. $20 to $200 month depending on usage, Pro versus Max plan. Replaces need for multiple specialized tools. ROI from first week for heavy users. Accessible pricing for individuals and small teams. That wraps up our breakdown of the Claude Co-work concept. We've covered the core mechanics of how it functions, and I hope you can start implementing this into your day-to-day workflow to see the results for yourself. In our next session, we are going to dive deeper. We'll be discussing the specific benefits, the potential disadvantages you should watch out for, and some real-world use cases to get you inspired. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss that one.